Ford is preparing a large-scale update for its flagship sport utility vehicle, as evidenced by fresh spy photos of test samples. The fourth generation of the sport utility vehicle has been on the assembly line since its premiere at the beginning of 2017. 4.5 years later, the model received a relatively light restyling, and now Ford is planning a very significant update for its flagship. Test mules captured by spy photographers show off a completely new front end. Unlike the current model, the front end will be vertical, making it more similar to the brand's pickup trucks. The two-tier headlight blocks of the main light are built into the radiator grille, framed by C-shaped strips of LED running lights, which also serve as direction indicators. Unusually for a restyling, the sport utility vehicle will also be noticeably updated on the side. The rear side windows will become wider and absorb the body-colored pillars behind the rear doors, making the side glazing visually unified. The windowsill molding will change slightly, widening closer to the lanterns. The rear is also completely new, designed in the traditional style of large American sport utility vehicles. The Expedition will receive new lights, a new bumper trim, and a slightly higher license plate niche. Additionally, the sport utility vehicle is shown with new wheel designs. The current Ford Expedition is equipped with a single 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost twin-turbo engine that produces 446 horsepower. Although there is no confirmed information about the restyled model yet, it may receive a hybrid modification. The premiere of the new product is expected during this year.